and welcome to my kitchen. Before we get to start making today's pie, I would like you guys to please comment down below if you like this recipe or if you tried it. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this recipe is a lemon cheesecake.
It's just a no-bake lemon
or
pie.
just a no-bake lemon pie. Sorry. And this is totally family friendly. Some things you want your moms to help you with, but mainly you can do it by yourself. Because the thing that I want my mom to help me with is cutting the lemons. And let's review what tools I'm going to use today. Also, one of my favorite brands for cooking utensils and tools is Pampered Chef. And if you live in Highlands County, Judy Bassett is your girl. So yeah, make sure you go check out some Pampered Chef stuff. So let's get into it. Holding a lot of lemons. Yeah. So first, let's review this. You're gonna need at least 3 lemons, and we're gonna want to roll them so the juice is easier to get out.
Show them.
Show you the lemons. And I'm gonna show you how to roll them. Just like do that. And yeah, and another thing that this is totally optional, but I wanted to put blueberries in it. So let's do that. And you can also use lemon juice.
We could have done that, but
Yeah,
we wanted to use fresh.
Right. We wanted to use fresh, but you could use like lemon juice. So yeah, I'm gonna hand that
And
back.
we need 3/4 of a cup of juice.
And you need 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass the lemons off to my mom so that she can go ahead and start cutting them for me. I also have an electric juicer, but you can just use a hand juicer. We also bought a already made pie crust, but you can definitely make it by yourself. And the cover that goes on it, it's usually in it, but if you flip it over and put the foil back over it, it's a perfect topper for when you put it in the fridge. This bowl is Pampered Chef, this is Pampered Chef, and they're all just Pampered Chef. So, I'm going to start getting the lemon juice. Let's do this.
You gotta kind of hold it with the spoon. Yep. Okay.
Good?
I think so.
I like it.
No.
Okay,
And
next.
look at them.
Alright, so let's
kind of be sideways so they can see what you're doing.
Let's do my next lemon.
You kind of tilt it side to side. And then a lemon, yeah. So you're getting all sides of it. There you go. Okay, that's pretty good. Alright, let's pour that to measure and see how much you've got out of your first lemon
Now I'm
so
going to
far.
pour it in here. Do I take the...
Give me help a second and show you how I would
Yeah.
recommend you do it, and then you can do it. Okay, I would just kind of hold that in place with one finger and start pouring. Whoops, hang on, the seed fell in. We want to fish that out to start with.
I want to take a little scraper.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Oh, actually, hang on.
The strainer.
Sorry. Yeah, because you have it upside
Yeah.
down. Yeah, I think it's upside down, so it's not catching the seeds like it's supposed to. That's okay. It's okay. If I can get that. Give me a little bit of space here. Sorry, guys. Just a second.
Ah. Okay, we can like knock it out. It's like crazy.
Okay. Make sure there's no more, right?
Yep. You want me to start pouring it now?
Yes, go ahead.
So we're going to pour it into our measuring cup,
and see how much we have.
and then we're going to see how much we have,
And we'll,
and see if we
that
have
should help
enough
us
yet.
know how many lemons we actually need.
So, we're not even at 1/4 of a cup, so we're going to need...
But that's perfect. Yeah. 'Cause
Right.
Whoops.
Woo!
Excuse us. Sorry, guys.
Oopsies. Just kicking the camera. Oh no. Alright, so let's get the strainer on and get back to doing it. Whoa, that's great. Scared me. Do you think that's right?
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. So now I'm going to get our next one. Seems ready. Should.
And you can give me that other one over there in case if you think we're gonna need it, so I can start rolling it.
Once I get this one in there, I'll see.
Or maybe we'll pour a little bit out of the one out of the fridge if we need to, instead of cutting up our fourth lemon. We'll use it for something else. Ooh, it's got lots of seeds.
So yeah, guys, I'm just juicing the second half of our second lemon. Good.
Go ahead. You got others. Keep going.
So let's get the third one going. I think this one has a little bit more juice, so I'm gonna keep going. That's good, right?
Perfect, yes.
Okay, the last half. And like I said, this is very easy for like your whole family to come in and help you with. And I love lemon cake, lemon pie. I love lemon everything. I love lemons. And shout out to Matilda Jane. And my aunt actually is a trunk keeper, Kimberly Hill. So yes, shout out to her. And look at this. This is Matilda Jane. It has like little lemons on it. It's so cute. So let's get to doing the next. Here's the lemon strainer.
Okay, so pour that, get back in your cream.
So guys, let's.
How much do we have?
I don't know yet. I'm pouring it right now. That's a lot of juice too, so
Yeah.
that might get us to it. I don't know. 2 lemons worth. So we're just above 1/3 right now.
1/3?
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, let me see.
Taking
Bring it in a minute. Alright, so get the bottle out of the fridge.
And fill
then
it the rest of the
definitely we're
way?
gonna need that.
Fill up the rest.
Up to 3/4.
Where'd you put the juice at?
It's on the door.
Up. I'm looking down, not up, guys. Whoop. So what we're gonna do, since we only got about like 1/3, we're gonna fill it up with the juice of the bottle for the rest. Mommy, the water's still running.
Okay, I'll get it in a minute. Go for it.
So yeah. So I'm gonna be pretty, like I'm still gonna measure it good, but I'm not gonna be like, oh my gosh, I didn't get it on the exact line. I ruined it. No, we're not gonna do that. Almost there. Good. I got it all in there. Put the lemon juice back. Actually, my mom is. Because I don't want to get out of the camera. Wrong side. That's all the lemon juice. That's all ready. So now let's take our bowl and we're going to put our sweet and condensed milk in it. Ooh, it's orange. What? So let's pour it. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, it looks like caramel. Caramel. I don't know how to say it. I don't know. It looks cool. Okay, so my mom's gonna
Start with the next.
scrape while I get the next milk in here. It's like best of both worlds. So I'm gonna start scraping. Okay, so I'm gonna start scraping my bowl. This looks
try to scrape around, but that's why you're mixing it with the lemon a little bit. You know. Yeah, no, because you're getting it everywhere, sweetie.
I'm not the best scraper, okay? I'm just gonna little claimer there.
Oops.
And then after this, I think that we're gonna pour the lemon juice in. I'm not sure, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna pour the lemon juice in here once we get all the milk in.
You're making more.
So put the juice in now.
Yep, go ahead
So
and stir,
we're gonna
stir,
put the
stir.
juice in. I'm so excited. I'm gonna do a little bit at a time though, just so that it doesn't get too watery. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna go all in. Honestly, there's all the lemon. That's a lot of lemon juice. I'm just saying. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So guys, I'm
Okay, you're
just
blocking them again.
stirring it up and
Yeah, that's good. There you go.
it looks a little weird.
Okay, try not to, yes, slurp it everywhere, please.
Mommy, do you think I could use the electric? This isn't really working.
No, I'm going to try it before we go doing that. So I think that's more mess that you don't need.
Guys, the lemon for me is kind of staying on the top, so I don't know. My mom's gonna try it. Go get this lemon.
Okay, you want to mix blueberries in and
Yep, so I'm gonna grab the blueberries. Just as many as we want, kind of.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I got some fresh blueberries.
Okay, try not to block. Try to be
Oh, yummy. Oh, a lot.
Okay.
Blueberries are good. Just a couple more, and I think
You're just impatient, it looks like. Mixed good. I said it mixed good. It looks like you're a little impatient. Okay? And then we can top with some later, too.
Yep.
You're going to pour it in here now?
Now we're gonna pour it. Sorry. And 3, 2, let's do this. Oh my goodness, guys, it looks so yummy. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. It's gonna be so yummy. Whoa. These blueberries look yummy. You can help me.
You need help, you said?
Yeah, it's heavy.
Okay.
You want to hold it so I can scrape it?
Mhm.
Scrape it. I'm gonna hold it. You hold it. Oh my goodness, guys, it looks so yummy. We are just getting it in here, in the pie crust. And guys, like I said, you can make your own if you like crust. Well, we just bought it because we thought it was going to be a little bit easier. Technically, we didn't buy it, but well, like
We did buy it.
yeah.
We just didn't go to the store.
Right.
Instacart.
Yes.
Quarantine.
Thank you, Publix, because without Publix Instacart, we would not have groceries right now, probably.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let's get the lid on it.
So we're gonna take the lid and we're gonna close it up,
Mhm.
and then I think we keep it in there for just a couple of hours.
2 to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours.
Okay.
And yeah,
All right. Before we do that, one other quick quarantine tip. Grab the pan.
this one.
Is making what? Homemade
Potpourri.
potpourri.
I
Yeah.
don't know how to say it.
So
But you put the lemon skins in it, and you put like water,
we cut up what we had at the lemon,
cinnamon,
some cinnamon sticks, and some
Orange.
cloves.
yeah, and some cloves, and then you put it all in, and then you can boil it
Simmer
on
it.
your stove, and it smells so good. I love it.
Yes.
I'm gonna go eat blueberries.
Okay. And what else are you saying? Is that it?
God bless. We will put in the description below. Well, yeah, maybe we'll put in the description, or we might comment it if when we tried this it was good. So, see ya.
Have a great
Peace
day.
out. Love you. Bye.
Thanks for joining.